We start. So I saw how many views I got on my first video about the fiery flame furnace. But there's a couple things that I want to fix from it. So today, that's what I'm going to be doing. So today I'm going to be fixing those mistakes. So let me turn off the sound because it was like extremely loud last time. Just mute it. Resume. Alright, first things first, middle, like always. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. It's not, wait. It's all the way down there. I think that would be good enough. No. So we have that. First things first, it looks less of a prison and more of a outside yard. So I think I'm gonna make some walls around it. It sounds smart, am I right? There's two of these right. Two. Switch it around just like this. Boom. Exact same thing, just side. Boom. Freeze that. Freeze that. After doing that, it's pretty. Pretty bad. Why in the world did I get that? I think I'll just get a couple bricks. And the brick was decent enough. Freeze. 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 Let me actually like that. Freeze it just like that. Now let me copy that. Go down there. Copy it. Oh snap. That was not the smartest of ideas. That's way too close to the wall. Boom, just like that. And I am. I think right. Actually, eight. Yeah, eight. Eight at two. I'm gonna go back here. Fix a couple things. Oops. I meant freeze. 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 And then of course, just like last time, freeze. Boom. I do like that. least that looks more prison-y. Right. Now, to get in, that's a problem. So, I think I know how to get him in. How to get him in, Dad? Snap. I forgot about the... Right, let me just do something very quickly. Put down air mode. Come right back here. Boom. No ads should pop. But this that did not look ethical. So anyways. This is how you get in. Don't blame me, I don't actually know how I'm going to do this. Make sure I have this here. Freeze that there. Break prop. Wait. Freeze that. Activate that. Boom. That's my video. I'm gonna get back over it. Snap. You can't see. Then after that, you have to free the porn. Now you see for now, see if this work. Okay. I'm gonna just test subject by you. I'm so sorry, man. Oh, we need to delete you. Just make sure. Oh, no. Boom. Freeze. Oh man. See, that didn't work. Go back to further notes. Now we have to on permanents. Maybe. I'm gonna say it's Alright, never mind. Delete that. If you want to get it, all you have to do is come onto a platform, which I'm gonna call a platform of death. Death itself is spawns on this platform. So of course all you have to do is just be right here. Actually just do a little too big. Right here. Actually just too small. There. That's better. Breathed. Let me come back. Actually, I'm pretty sure there's something wrong there. I was on airplane mode? That's not fair to me. Freeze. Activate, just set that, okay? Next thing's new. Let's spawn here. What the? Make sure to get your legs out. Alright, that was good. Make sure to be so sync. And do this. I'm just going to. I'll spin him. Now let me repeat that. Just have to bonk on the trip, then boom. Of course, you have to make sure not to die. Guys, quiet up there, please. Anyways, have to make sure they don't die. Died this time, but you know what, bro? That ain't my fault. They died. I thought they weren't strong enough to survive. Freeze that. Activate that. Boom. That's how you get in. You have to spawn on that platform. Next thing next. Let's say they do escape the walls. Yeah. We're gonna have even smaller walls. And these walls way smaller. What is this? Okay, maybe that's small now. Actually, I'll make them small. No house here. No, it's gonna be a guardhouse. Inside this guardhouse, in the middle one. Freeze that. And then we need a freeze that too. No, some window to block out. Wait, how tall is the human being? A little mini guy. Oh, that's pretty tall. And freeze your head right there. It's to be right there. Boom. So I wonder what I could fit more. Can I just fit in the rod? So I can. There's like space there. No worries, we have something. A brick. It is a bit too small. Got the next bit. There. Freeze. I like that. And you know, you don't want to die. Wait, how is it supposed to leave, you say? Damn, she's not supposed to leave. We're supposed to put all the essentials in here. Freeze that there. So far, mate, you're gonna be staying in here for. I'll freeze that for the rest of your life. First things first. Delete. Savior is not going to enter. Yours is bad. I'll make sure here's where he's gonna sleep and sit for the rest of his life. Some weights in here. Make sure he stays fit. Boom, there's his hat. His hat. There's his Nintendo to make sure he doesn't die of boredom. I know it's on Nintendo, but still. And of course, he's in the corner. Let me see where I can get these. Of course it's grand, bro. He's gonna, all things gonna be the rest of his life. I'll just delete that. Delete. I don't know exactly what I use this for. Boom. Actually, to make sure this dude doesn't die of boredom. Doesn't die of boredom in there. Real cards do though. Too big. And resize. Just can smaller. Ooh. Boom. It's already good for the sun. Can't you like hold it? Oh, snap. No. Stop. Oh my god. I'd be like, where is he supposed to breathe? Oh, here's the thing. That's how. Nope. Stop doing that. Oh. Let's see. This is gonna be annoying. Snap. I just need to end this right here. I'll see you guys in a second.